Dear students, hopefully you will be greatly blessed with health and having the good time of your life. Today's topic is grammar skills and activities application writing. Today we will learn how to write elements of the application and different parts of the application. Let's try to understand first what are the parts of the application, what are the elements of an application. Let's try to understand. This is an image shows that different parts of application. If we count, they are six in number. First, heading. Okay, first when we see a question of an application, like we have to write an application to the principal for any purpose. First we have to write inside address, letter heading. Okay, it's about that why are you writing this application. Okay, then inside address, where the if you are writing application to the principal, then you have to mention the name in the heading. Then you have to write the inside address, like in the principal, learning zone, school system, Sialkot. This is the heading and inside address. Then you have then if your principal is female, then you will write dear madam, my dear madam. You can write in this way. If your principal is male, then you can write my dear sir or dear sir. If you are writing to another person, you can write dear sir or sir, madam, respectable madam, the honorable madam. You can use also these words for salutations. Then next part is about the body of the letter, and body of the letter is about the questions about the purpose for which you are writing the application. यानी कि the main part क्या है आपका क्वेश्चन में जो पार्ट है write an application to the principal for के बाद जो purpose है that will be described in the body of the letter. Complementary clause, when you write the body of the letter, then you write the complementary clause, like the if you write if you are a student, then you will write in this way, yours affectionately. No, you will write yours obediently student, your obedient student. Then you will add the signature. You may write the name also here. You can also write the date in the application for telling, and when you have to ask the when you have felt the need for writing the application. Now let's move to the today's work. Today's work is the grammar skills and activities application number 1. What's application number 1? Write an application to your principal for sick leave. The principal, we are writing the application to the principal, then we will write the principal. If we are writing application to the chairman or any other person, we will write the designation status of that person according to the question. For sick leave will be discussed in the later body. First, this is the learning zone school system Sialkot. This is the inside address. If you are a student of learning zone, then you will write the learning zone school system. If you are a student of government school, you will write the name of that school. Then you have to write the salutation, like the dear madam, dear sir, my dear sir, the honorable madam, the honorable sir. You will write in this way. But I chose this with due respect. This is the next part is about the beginning. You may write any part and choose any part among these three for writing the beginning part of the application. Like with due respect, I want to say that I'm writing this application. I'm writing to apply for sick leave because I'm not feeling well. Okay, you may describe the reason. If you are choosing second part, most respectfully, I beg to say that you will describe the reason. It is respectfully stated that you may write in this way also. Second part is I stated that you will describe further. I want to draw your attention. These are the beginnings of an application. You will choose any one of them. Then you will describe reasons. If you're suffering from pneumonia, you may write the different reasons. Like you can say that I am suffering from pneumonia. It's not pneumonia. Basically, P is silent here. P is silent here. And you are since the last 2 days I have been suffering from this disease. I could not from last days I could not sleep properly. I have the pain for the whole night. I have the severe infection. Doctor, when I went to the doctor for examine, the doctor has given me some advice to take medicine properly and also suggested bed rest for more than 2 days. You may write the different days. स्टूडेंट्स ये लेटर बॉडी का एक पार्ट है जिसमें आपने रीज़न्स बयान करनी है, रीज़न डिस्क्राइब करनी है, वाई, और आपने जिसको लिखने जिसको एप्लीकेशन लिखनी है उसको अपनी रीज़न्स के साथ परसुएड करना है, यानी कि उसको कायल करना है कि वो आपको सिक लीव अलो करे. एंड यू हैव टू डिस्क्राइब दिस. Like the suffering from pneumonia, you may write the different disease, fever and other. Last 2 days यानी कि आपको कब से प्रॉब्लम है, ये लास्ट 2 days से क्या हुआ आपके साथ. could not sleep, आप सो नहीं सके प्रॉपरली, होल नाइट आप पेन होती रही, स्वेर इन्फेक्शन है आपको, डॉक्टर ने इस पर क्या तजवीज़ दी है, मेडिसिन दी है और सजेस्ट बेड रेस्ट सजेस्ट किया कितने दिन के लिए. ओके, दिस इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ द लेटर बॉडी. Okay, in the ending sentence, kindly consider my cause, my application, मेरी वजूह को हम दर्दाना बेस पर देखें. and allow me and accept my application. I accept my request for 2 days holidays, 3 days holidays. In this way you can write. I shall be thankful to you for this act of kindness. You may write also this one. आप इसको भी ऐड कर सकते हैं इसके साथ ही. आई शैल बी वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर दिस फेवर. आई शैल बी वेरी थैंकफुल टू यू फॉर दिस एक्ट ऑफ काइंडनेस. आई शैल बी वेरी ग्रेटफुल टू यू. आई शैल रिमेंबर योर गुड डीड. थैंक्स फॉर योर फेवर. थैंक यू. यू कैन यूज these one also. Okay, in the last you have to write the yours obedient. This is the closing compliments. XYZ mean name ऑफ द एप्लीकेंट, यानी कि आप लिख रहे हैं तो आपने अपना नाम XYZ मेंशन करना है. ओके, इफ़ यू आर have done this part, then you have to mention the date and also you can do the signature. Dear students, do this application on your neat notebook and properly. If you have the problem, then you can ask me question. Thank you. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.